White collar social media, it's telling itself a lie. The lie is basically this, okay? AI is coming for low skilled jobs first. No, it is not. Anthropic just dropped this research, right? It's showing that jobs with the highest AI exposure are overwhelmingly white collar, like analysts and marketers and recruiters and finance teams, consultants. Basically, anyone whose job is thinking, writing, summarizing, or even analyzing. You know, the exact things AI is already freakishly good at. And before someone says the usual line, well, AI is just going to augment us, Gabe. Yeah, sure, for the top operators. But companies don't adopt AI so everyone can keep their job. They adopt AI so one strong operator can do the work that used to require five.